Good morning, students. Last class we discussed first shifting theorem. So first definition of the first shifting theorem, and then solve the problems of first shifting theorem. Definition of first shifting theorem. If L of f of t equal to f bar of s, if L of f of t equal to L of f of t equal to f bar of s, then L of e power at into f of t equal to f bar of s minus a. మనం ఎల్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టీ అప్లై చేస్తే మనకి ఎఫ్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ వస్తుంది. లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫంక్షన్ కనుక ఈ పవర్ ఏటీ ఉంటే, సో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ టీకి ఈ పవర్ ఏటీ ఉంటే ఎఫ్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ప్లేస్ లో ఎఫ్ బార్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి. సో రీప్లేస్ ఎస్ బై ఎస్ మైనస్ ఏ. ఓకే, ది స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ L of f of t equal to f bar of s. In the left hand side function f of t is a multiple of e power at, then we write s tends to s minus a in the resulting equation. So s tends to s minus a, then we getting the answer f bar of s minus a. So finally the first shifting theorem says that the left hand side of function f of t as e power at, then we write f bar of s as s tends to s minus a. So replace s by s minus. So go to problems. First, we solve one simple problem. Problem number 1. L of e power minus t cos 2t. Here, two functions of t in left side of Laplace. So, it has any formulas. So, first we calculate the main function f of t as cos 2t, then apply e power minus to the resulting value. Take L of cos 2t. We know that the formula of L of cos 2t equal to, like as L of cos at. Cos at formula s by s square plus a square. Here a is the multiple of t in the cos angle, so replace a by 2. Replace a by 2. So cos L of cos 2t equal to s by s square plus 2 square. So the resulting value s by s square plus 2 square means 4. This is the value of L of cos 2t. Now we are applying the total function of left hand side L of cos minus t into cos 2t. Taking total function. So e power minus t cos 2t. So recently we find out that L of cos 2t value is s by s square plus 4. This is called as f bar of s. By using the first shifting theorem, replace s by s minus a. Here already minus 1 is available, so s tends to opposite function s plus 1. E power minus at, here a is minus 1, then we replace s by s plus a. So here a equal to 1. So s plus 1 by, replace s by s plus 1. So s plus 1 by s plus 1 whole square plus 4. And expand s plus 1 as a plus b whole square, that equal to s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 4. So the final answer is s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 4, that equal to 5. This is the required answer. So how to identify the first shifting theorems? So in two functions of Laplace in left hand side, e power at is the one of the multiple. E power at is the one of the multiple of function t. So the combination of two t functions, one is must be e power at, then it is applied to first shifting theorem. My voice clarity on that?
క్లారిటీగా ఉంది సార్.
అర్థమవుతుందా? వాయిస్ ఏమైనా బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా? క్లారిటీగానే ఉందా?
క్లారిటీగానే ఉంది సార్.
Okay. So next problem. And another problem, second problem is L of e power 2t sin 3t. How to identify these problem is linearity property or is problem is first shifting? Clearly it is first shifting, because in left hand side of Laplace function contains two functions. One is sin 3t and another one is e power 8. So e power 8 is a multiple of f of t, then it is first shifting theorem. So first we take L of f of t. So comparing the given problem into the left hand side of the first shifting formula, L of e power 8 into f of t. So upon comparing given function and LHS formula, f of t equal to sin 3t and e power 8 equal to e power 2t. Here a equal to 2. So using these conditions, first we calculate L of f of t. So L of f of t equal to L of sin 3t. L of f of t in the problem, the multiple of e power 8 is f of t. So L of f of t in place is sin 3t. We know that the formula of L of sin 3t equal to a by s square plus a square. Here a is the multiple of t. So replace a by 3, that is 3 by s square plus 3 square, that equal to 3 by s square plus 3 square means 9. This is called as f of s. So we find out L of f of t, then getting the answer f bar of s. L of sin 3t by s square plus 9 f bar of s. Applying the first shifting theorem. By first shifting theorem, the formula is L of e power 8 into f of t, general formula. Already we find out f bar of s. Replace s by, here left side plus a. So opposite function minus a. So s by s minus a. That is the formula of first shifting theorem. So applying the first shifting theorem to the above problem, L of e power 2t into sin 3t equal to 3 by s square plus 9 replace s by here plus 2 is a multiple of t. So s minus 2. So replace s by s minus 2, that equal to 3 by s minus 2 whole square plus 9. Now expand s minus 2 as a minus b whole square. Then s by a square means s square minus 4s plus 4 plus 9. So 4 plus 9 equal to 13. So the final answer is 3 by s square minus 4s plus 13. This is the required answer. ఏం అర్థమవుతున్నాయా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్?
సార్
ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా ఈజీగానే ఉన్నాయి. చెప్పండి అమ్మా. ఓకే, సో కొంచెం డెప్త్కి వెళ్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ third problem. L of t plus 3 whole square into e power t. So in Laplace, two functions are multiple, two t functions are multiple. One is in e power at. So one is e power at, then it is called first shifting theorem. So first we cite e power minus e power at, then apply L of t plus 3 whole square, we getting a bar of s and replace s by s minus 1. So first we write e power t in left side. So L of t plus 3 whole square into e power t, we can write e power t into t plus 3 whole square. Then take t plus 3 whole square. Expand t plus 3 whole square as a plus b whole square, a square that equal to t square plus 2ab 2 into 3 into d 60 plus b square, so 9. Now apply the Laplace of L of t plus 3 whole square, taking Laplace on both sides. So L of t plus 3 whole square, here also L of t square plus 60 plus 9. Applying the linearity property because the three functions are in addition. So L of t square, here 6 is constant, L of t plus 9 is constant, and remaining value L of 1. We know that the formula of L of t power n, L of t power n has two formulas. Here n is a positive integer, then n factorial by s power n plus 1. In the problem, all powers of t are positive integers, 2 and 1 and t power 0. So t power 0 L of 1 equal to 1 by s. It has separate formula. Here two t functions, the power of t is 2 plus 2, it is a positive integer, and the second one is t power 1, it is also positive integer. So now we applying L of t power n equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. So first L of t square, here n equal to 2, so 2 factorial by s power 2 plus 1 plus 6 into, here n value 1 factorial by s power 1 plus 1. Last one 9 into 1, L of 1. L of 1 formula is 1 by s. So simplify the equation. Simplify the equation. 2 factorial means 2. 2 by s plus 2, that equal to s cube plus 6. 1 factorial means 1. 1 into 6 equal to 6 by s square plus 9 by s is the L of t plus 3 whole square expansion. Now we have to apply e power my e power t of t plus 3 whole square. Applying first shifting theorem, now L of e power t into t plus 3 whole square. So in the above answer, put it name as f bar of s. In the f bar of s means 2 by s cube plus 6 by s square plus 9 by s, as s tends to here multiple of t 1 plus 1. So replace s by s minus 1. So replace s by s minus 1, 2 by s minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole square plus 9 by s minus 1. This is the required answer. Okay. Next problem. The fourth problem is L of e power minus t into 3 sin 2t minus 5 cos 2t. First, we apply the linearity property because in two trigonometry functions of combination is minus, and separate e power minus t to both functions. So, by linearity property and multiplying e power minus t, so 3 e power minus t into sin 2t as a first Laplace function. Observe that here 3 is constant right in outside. So in first function 3 is constant, 3 into L of e power minus t sin 2t, and in the second function minus 5 is constant, L of, and multiplying e power minus t to second function also. So L of e power minus t cos h2t. Here, two first shifting theorems are available. One is L of e power minus t sin 2t, and another one is L of e power minus t cos h2t. Simplify individually. First taking first one, L of e power minus t sin 2t. So we calculate directly. First to find out the L of f of t. Here f of t is the multiple of e power minus t. The multiple of e power minus t is a f of t. F of t equal to sin 2t. Suppose we finding L of sin 2t using the L of sin a by s square plus a square. Here a is 2. 2 by s square plus 2 square, that equal to 4. So now I write directly. Now I write the directly of L of sin 2t. So 2 by s square plus 2 square, that equal to 4. L of s square plus 4. And as s tends to, applying the first shifting condition, here the multiple of t is minus 1. So I put opposite plus 1. So replace s by s plus 1. Then 2 by s plus 1 whole square plus 4. And expand the s plus 1 whole square as a plus b whole square. Then we get 2 by s square plus 2s plus 1, 1 plus 4, that equal to 5. This is the first Laplace function L of e power minus t into sine 2t multiplying with 3. So 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 we write finally 6. So the first answer is 6 by s square plus 2s plus 5. Next go to second Laplace function. That is 5 constant L of e power minus t cos h2t. First we calculate the L of f of t. Here the multiple of e power at as f of t, then taking f of t as cos h2t. So L of cos h2t like as L of cos hat. The formula of L of cos hat equal to s by s square minus a square. But in a position 2 is available, replace a by 2. So L of cos h2t, then s by s square plus 2 square. So s by s square minus 4 is the f bar of s. Now applying the first shifting theorem, L of e power minus t into cos h2t equal to replace s by, here multiple of t is minus the opposite plus 1. S
సార్
by
వాయిస్ కట్ అయిపోతుంది.
ఇప్పుడు కాల్ వచ్చిందిలే, ఇప్పుడు బాగానే వినిపిస్తుంది చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు క్లారిటీగా ఉందా అలాగే కట్ అయిపోతుంది?
ఓకే సార్, బాగానే ఉంది సార్.
వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుందా?
లేదు సార్, లేదు సార్.
మధ్యలో కాల్ వచ్చింది అందుకని. ఎస్ బై ఎస్ ప్లస్ 1. సో ఎస్ ప్లస్ 1 బై s plus 1 whole square minus 4. Simplify the equation and multiplying with minus 5. So minus 5 into numerator is s plus 1, denominator is s plus 1 whole square. S square plus 2s plus 1 minus 4, that equal to minus 3. So this is the first function answer and this is the second function answer. We write total value of the given function is 6 by s square plus 2s plus 5 minus s plus 1 by s square minus 2s minus 3. So we calculate these two functions individually. Taking first L of e power minus t into sin 2t, find out, we getting the answer 6 by s square plus 2s plus 5. And taking second function L of e power minus 2t e power minus t into cos h2t, we getting the answer s plus 1 into s square plus 2s minus 3 and minus 5 as a constant. So we write these two functions in single line. 6 by s square plus 2s plus 5 minus 5 into s plus 1 by s square plus 2s minus 3. These problems are called first shifting theorems. And one important problem is there, that is L of e power minus t into cos square t. Once again, I remember that how to identify the first shifting. One is the function of any other function, cos t, or t power n, or 1, 2, anything, must be the multiple of e power at. In two functions or in Laplace, then one is e power at function. Then we apply the first shifting theorem. Both are in multiplication positions. For example, in between two functions, either addition or subtraction, we no need to apply first shifting. We are applying a linearity property. For example, L of e power minus t minus cos square t. In this situation, we no no need to apply first shifting theorem. It is called a linearity property because in two functions combination is minus. It is easily to separate L of e power minus t and L of cos square t. This type of problems are this contains linearity property. So in multiplication position, two functions are two t functions are multiplications and one is must be e power at, then these problems are solved in first shifting. Then this type of problems are solved in first shifting. One is must be e power at combination and another one is either t square t power sin t sin hat cos hat anything. One is must be e power at. So observe that the given problem is solved by first shifting theorem. In first shifting theorem, first we identify the f of t. Here f of t is multiple of e power at. So multiple of e power at is f of t equal to cos square. So first we solve the cos square t. Directly applying L of f of t is not possible because there is no formula of cos square t in Laplace transform formulas. L of cos square t is not directly apply the Laplace transform formula because no formula is available. First we solve cos square t in second degree to first degree function. What formulas we have? L of cos at is available and L of cos at available. L of cos square t, L of cos cube t not available. So we using basic trigonometric formulas. First we convert the second order cos square t to first order cos square t. That means cos at, cos hat like that. So using trigonometric formula, we know that cos square t equal to 1 minus sin square t. The sufficient formula to use here cos square t equal to 1 minus sin square t. It is sufficient? No, because sin square t, here also the function of sin order 2. So the second order functions not supposed to apply in the Laplace because L of sin at is available. L of sin square at is not available. So the formula is not sufficient. So cos square t is not possible to write 1 minus sin square t. Go to another formula. What type of functions we required in the first order trigonometric functions are required. So I write cos square t equal to 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Is it support? Yes, it is support because the power of cos is 1. It is first order trigonometric function. First order cos at. So we know that L of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. So this formula is useful. Now taking Laplace on both sides, L of cos square t equal to L of 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Observe that 1 plus cos 2t by 2. What property we use of Laplace transform? We learned only two properties. First one is linearity property. Second one is first shifting theorem. Here, no exponential terms in 1 plus cos 2t by 2. So it is not first shifting theorem. But here two functions are available, 1 and cos 2t. In between two functions contains addition. So the functions in between addition, we separate Laplace to two functions, L of 1 and L of cos 2t. This property is called as linearity property. In linearity property, we write the constant term in outside first. We write the constant term 1 by 2 as outside and separate Laplace to two functions. First one is L of 1 and second one is L of cos 2t. Applying the formula of L of 1, we know that L of 1 equal to First formula of Laplace transform 1 by s. First we write the constant 1 by 2. Then L of 1 equal to 1 by s plus L of cos 2t s by s square plus 2 square. Now simplify the equation. We're taking LCM of right hand side because in denominator the constant value 2 is available, so we cancel the constant 2. That's why we're taking LCM. The LCM of right hand side s by s into s square plus 2 square as s into s square plus 2 square. In the cross multiplication 1 into s square plus 2 square, 2 square means 4. S square plus 4 plus s into s square. S square plus s square, 2s square. So 1 by 2 into 2s square plus 4 by denominator is s into s square plus 4. Common 2 as numerator, 2 cancel, and the remaining functions are s square plus. So this is the L of cos square t value. Now we have to apply the first shifting theorem condition. Now we have to apply L of e power minus t into cos square t. So recently we finding the value of L of cos square t, we getting the answer s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. Taking total problem. Now L of e power minus t into cos square t. This implies s square plus 2 by s into s square plus 4. We getting the answer from L of cos square t. Replace s by, here the multiple of t is minus 1. So replace s by s plus 1. That equal to s plus 1 whole square plus 2 by s plus 1 into s plus 1 whole square plus 4. So now we are expanding s plus 1 whole square as a plus b whole square, s square plus 2s plus 1, 1 plus 2, that equal to 3. And the denominator is s plus 1, s plus 1 whole square equal to s square plus 2s plus 1 plus 4, 5. This is the final result. First we calculate the cos square t, L of cos square t. Then we are applying the e power minus t. In two functions or multiplication position, one is e power at, then it is called first shifting. Okay. Already we calculated L of cos square t in linearity property. So again I explained L of cos square t. So s square plus 2 by 2 into s square plus 4. Then we are applying e power minus t. And sixth problem, L of e power 4t sin 2t cos t. Observe that sin 2t cos t already solved in linearity property. So because sin 2t cos 2t, sin 2t cos t is not possible to apply Laplace transform. Why? These two functions are in multiplication position. Two functions are in multiplication position and one is not a function of e power at. Suppose in two functions of t, one is must be e power at, then it is called first shifting. Here, no e power at function, both are in trigonometry function, both are in multiplication position. So it is not possible to Laplace because there is no formula of Laplace transform in sin a t cos b t. So what we do? We applying the basic trigonometric formulas of sin a t cos b t. Then we write these two function multiplication positions into either addition or subtraction. Suppose we getting the addition or subtraction, it is easy to calculate. What property we use? Linearity property. In sin 2t cos t is not multiple position, we are applying the linearity property. So first we write the basic formula of trigonometry functions into either addition or subtraction. So taking sin 2t as a sin a, cos t, sin b. Here two angles are different, sin a, cos b. For example, 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. What is the formula of 2 sin a cos b? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. So divide 2 on both sides. Sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b by 2. Here a is the first angle 2t and b is the second angle t. So replace it. Sin a cos b equal to sin a plus b sin 2t plus t, that equal to sin 3t, plus sin a minus b sin 2t plus t sin t. Observe that in multiplication positions of cos sin 2t cos t is converted into the addition combination. So in addition combination, we calculate easily by using Laplace transform as a linearity property. Linearity property యూజ్ చేసుకొని దీన్ని ఈజీగా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయవచ్చు. So taking L of sin 2t cos t is simplify as L of sin 3t sin t by 2. Taking Laplace on both sides, first we write the constant term. That constant term is 1 by 2 and separate the Laplace to two functions. One is sin 3t and the another one is L of sin t. We know that L of sin a t, in the first function a is 3, so 3 by s square plus a square. 3 by s square plus 3 square. 3 square means 9. And second function, here a value is 1. So 1 by s square plus 1 square. So 1. So taking LCM of right hand side and simplify it. Why? Because in the constant 2 is outside. So we calculate 2 as a multiple of 2, cancel both terms. So taking LHS of right hand side. So 1 by 2 is constant. S square plus 9, we cancel the constant term 2. That's why we finding the LCM. First 3 into s square plus 1. 3 into s square plus 1, that equal to 3s square plus 3. Next 1 into s square plus 9. So s square plus 9. One by 2 into 3s square plus s square, 4s square. So 9 plus 3, that equal to 12 by s square plus 9 into s square plus 1. S square plus 1. Now common to 2 on numerator because the constant 1 by 2 is outside. So only common 2 on the numerator. So remaining value is 2s square plus 6 by s square plus 9 into s square plus 1. 2 cancel. The problem is not completed because we are applying e power at. First shifting condition is pending. Just we calculate the f of t only. That f of t contains sin 2t, cos t. Both are in multiplication position. It is not possible to apply the Laplace. That's why we're using the basic trigonometry formulas. Using the basic trigonometry formulas, we convert the multiplication functions into the addition functions. So addition functions easily apply the Laplace transform in the property of linearity. So we're using the linearity property and apply the formula of L of sin at, then we calculate the L of sin 2t cos t value. So the required result is 2s square plus 6 by s square plus 9 into s square plus 1. In this answer, we apply a first shifting. This answer name as f bar of s. Now go to given problem taking the full function e power minus 4t and sin 2t cos t. Now replace the given result s by the multiple of t in exponential power plus 4. We write the opposite function minus 4. s2 s minus 4. So here 4 is plus 4 is available. So we write the opposite s tends to s minus 4 in the f bar of s. The f bar of s is 2s square plus 6 by s square plus 9 into s square plus 1. So 2 into s square. S square means s minus 4 whole square plus 6 by, in the denominator, s square, s minus 4 whole square plus 9 and s square plus 1, s minus 4 whole square plus 1. Now simplify it. The numerator is converted as 2 into s minus 4, expand s minus 4 as a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 6 by a square minus 8s plus 16 plus 9 s square minus 8s 16 plus 9 25 s square minus 8s plus 16 plus 1 17. Okay, now multiplying numerator also 2s square minus 16s, so 2 into 16 32 plus 16, the answer is 38. So this is the required result. సో ఇవి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. మీకు ఒక ప్రాబ్లం, ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎలా చేయాలో చెప్తాను, మీరు హోంవర్క్ చేసుకుందరు కానీ. సో 7th ప్రాబ్లం యాజ్ హోంవర్క్. L of cos HAT sin BT. ఏ బిల్ మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ ఉంటున్నాయి అంటే నెంబర్స్ తీసుకోండి. cos H2T sin 3T. These two functions are in multiplication position. It is not possible to apply the linearity property. ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లోనే linearity property అప్లై చేయడానికి అవ్వదు. సో మనం నేర్చుకుంది one is linearity property, second one is first shifting. First shifting అప్లై చేయాలంటే one function is e power at. Here e power at is not available. e power at ఉంటే మనం దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ లో అప్లై చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ షిఫ్టింగ్ పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు, లీనియారిటీ ప్రాపర్టీ పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, రీసెంట్లీ వీ సాల్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ది అబోవ్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇంత ముందు చేసిన ప్రాబ్లం లో సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే 2 cos A sin B కింద తీసుకోవాలి. 2 cos A sin B. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో నాట్ పాసిబుల్ బికాస్ హియర్ హైపర్బోలిక్ ఫంక్షన్ cos H is hyperbolic function. ఒకవేళ కాస్ 2t సైన్ 3t ఉంటే పాసిబుల్ అయ్యేది, కానీ ఇక్కడ కాస్ హెచ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఈ ట్రిగనోమెట్రీ ఫార్ములా కూడా పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. మరి ఏం చేయాలి? we write cos hat equal to hyperbolic function e power at plus e power minus at by 2. So we convert cos hat into e power at plus e power minus at by 2. Then substituting the formula into the given problem, e power at plus e power minus at by 2 into sin 3t. Here a equal to 2 kada, so replace a by 2. E power 2t, e power minus 2t by 2. So here also e power 2t, e power minus 2t by 2 sin 3t. Now applying the linearity property, 1 by 2 is constant. First L of e power 2t into sin 3t plus L of e power minus 2t into sin 3t. Okay, this problem is homework. చేయగలరు కదా, e power 2t రెండింటిని సెపరేట్ చేసి చేయండి. So this problem as homework. హైపర్బోలిక్ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు sin a cos b ఫార్ములా పాసిబుల్ అవ్వదు. అలాంటప్పుడు cos 18 ని మీరు దేనిలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకుంటారు? ఎక్స్పోనెన్షియల్ ఫంక్షన్ లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయండి. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం హోంవర్క్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ రైజ్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్స్.